Okay, this is a typical example of the yellow brownish tannin staining that you get on gel coat and painted boats, and normally the process would be to hit that with a very hard acid. Now whilst acid will remove that staining, it also affects the substrate, and continuous use of acid each season is eating into the gel coat and taking the life out of it. If you've just used acid on a boat, you also need to cut and then polish it straight away. Dulon has a specific product called Quick Clean, which is a non-acidic, safe to use yellow stain remover. Self-activating, you just put some on a cloth, you simply wipe it onto the surface and leave it. No scrubbing, and you're not using dangerous chemicals or acids. For heavy staining, you simply just put another application on, just wipe it on again. We'll leave that one now. You can see the section there where we've already put 2 layers of Quick Clean on, and it's taken it right back to white gel coat. This section here, it'll take about probably between 5 and 10 minutes, and if it's very heavily stained down here still, we'll just put another application on. Let's just leave that now, walk away, have a break, come back. When we're happy with that, we can just rinse it with water, job's done. Okay, Phil from Dulon Australia back again. After 2 minutes now, you can see the Quick Clean non-acidic self-activating yellow stain remover is hard at work. Because of the amount of staining we've got on this gel coat, we're going to give it another application now. Simply just wipe it on with a cloth. Exactly the same as you did before. It's not harmful. I can actually put my fingers in that. It's not hydrochloric or sulfuric acid like most of the products. We'll simply just walk away and let that keep working. Righto, another 2 minutes, and that now has removed that yellow staining, and this boat's ready to do some Dulon polishing on. To deactivate it, all we do now is just give that a rinse with some fresh water. Job's done. It's not difficult, it's totally safe for the environment and the user. I've got no gloves, I've got some sunglasses on in case I do get a little bit of splatter. I don't want it in my face. But apart from that, that product is totally safe to use. You can't get easier than that.